No, I just want to tell you some things. Don't worry.
Hey, make I talk
first.
for you. Don't talk now. Make I introduce myself now.
No,
hold on.
No, everybody knows you now.
See, let me tell you something.
Knows you.
Wait.
Okay,
let me tell you something. Make I talk one thing. See,
talk.
I'm not here to come out.
Calm down.
Wait. I just want to express myself. Please, let me just.
Let him do. Let him do.
You understand? I will try my best to control myself to speak to you guys today. You understand? I will try all my best to speak to you. Yeah, I have a Muslim name. I was brought up as a Muslim. You understand? So many things has happened in my life with this your fucking religion that is not clear to me. I always try my best coming on your life.
Daru, ẹ̀sìn tiwa ní fucking religion. Orí ẹ dàrú, orí rẹ ti dàrú. Orí rẹ dàrú.
Abuzi na tori anabi.
Ẹ jẹ́ kó make
Islam wá sọ. Èmi ń dá mi lórí pé Islam kan ló ní í ṣe pẹ̀lú bóyá àwọn kan ló ti ní í ṣe pẹ̀lú ara yín ló wá fèrò bóyá so in tó bá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ a máa sọ gbogbo ẹ̀yẹ fẹ́ sọ ó depend on everybody bó ẹ̀sìn kò sẹ́ni tó ṣe pé ìwọ sọ̀rọ̀ tó bá fẹ́ sọ má lo àwọn language gan tí ó make sense. You are here. I can see you are bold. Let's keep it rolling then.
Now, interrupt.
You are born as a Muslim. Okay, let's go. Ejo calm for Ejo. Ejo in 5 minutes now. You can make your submission within 5 minutes. Just calm down. Don't worry. We are not your enemy. So any kan tó dé máa lóhùn mọ̀ nbí báyìí kò sí. So ẹni fẹ́ parọ́ fún rẹ̀ nìyẹn. Islam ide ṣàbòsí. So oya, you have the floor. Let's go. Oya.
Dot, mute mic in kede sọ̀rọ̀.
Okay.
Just calm down.
Like, have I ever come in your life and say any negative thing? I've never done. So, there's so many things that I don't understand about the Islam. She understand I was traumatized. There's so many stories that connected to me about Islam. So growing up.
I want it sorted, please. Thank you.
Okay, let me give you something. When I was young, my grandma, that was one of the person I love most in this whole world. Call about for uncle grandma me. She understand. So our religion is Muslim. She's so devoted about this religion. You get my point? And she tried all her best for me to be a Muslim. So after grandma Miku, I have to, but before my grandma Kotoku, I have to go to man see the kill. She understand. But my experience with the kill as a young boy, up to now, which man fuck will bring me. She understand. So when I moved to my mommy's place, I start going to the church. The way they attend to me in Sunday school is a different thing. I don't want to go far on that. She understand as a young boy growing up. So this my grandma, I always connect with her that she want me to be a Muslim, but I know they go mosque, I know they go church. She understand. But I just believe that because I'm so connected to the both religion, I'm so connected with Muslim and the Christian. I'm not devoted about you. I'm just on my own. But growing up, there's so many things. This thing is it true about this religion? This thing is it true? Because I always do research a lot. I watch a lot of documentary about ISIS and Al-Qaeda. I'm not going to lie to you. I do a lot of research. I study filmmaking. So man, but and when I join you people like, they'll be, these are not the people that are doing this. These are not the people that are doing this. I need a clearer picture. That's why I called the guy that did movie live. What? One thing about multi-layer metabenzi, and the guy explained to me, it's not like that. And if you listen to the live, I said that. Possible that she pay cash on how my girl on your multi. She understand. So join this live now. I could be saying for me. And one thing I want to say today is that me, I'm not an enemy of Islam. She understand. And one thing I'm saying about this religion, anybody, you people need to soft it a little bit. And not be you. Don't say you. I know there's one particular voice. The man shake with everybody. It's wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong. And then not shake with anybody. Let God fight for himself. I'm not shake with anybody. I'm on your life. Yeah, I'm free to be on your life. I'm listening. I'm learning. Is it that good or bad? I'm learning one or two things. So why they want to ship for me? Okay, only say more Muslim or Dani. Say money Christian or Dani. You don't need all this. Need there. I still keep my Muslim name, but today I just feel like, why? You call it a religion of peace. Make it peace for everybody. I'm not care about anybody. What am I shape for me? Any not shape for me now. Any not shape for me. No, any not shape for me. Am I shape for me? Shall understand? Am I shape for me? Baba me Muslim ni. Shall understand? Don't want to share, but life one here. I still keep my Muslim name. Not that I go to church, I go to mosque. I'm living my life and I'm living fine. She understand. If I say to anything, that one pay me she understand. I just want you guys to solve this. Me o surprise but that is the main reason why I come on this life. She understand. If I go to any other life, join them, listen to them, doesn't mean that I belong to anybody. It's my phone, it's my internet. I've got the freedom to do anything I want to do. You only because shape phone. Mo see what life in Kisopoya. In content share you rubbish ni o mo so bury. I bet it gone smoke calling Islam o dari ni. Instead I have a son that is Islam. Shall understand? Me also pay Islam Modari. Please, I just got to beg you. Whatever for me, I just have to come on live to clear my own point. But me, I'm not against Islam. Instead, my grandma was so connected with the religion. That is one of the reasons why I'm trying to learn. Okay, there are so many negative things by Islam. So I want to see me going to Japan on Muslim going. They are not telling me so I feel like okay, today I'm learning about the Sufi today. And I'm online as well, checking so many things about it. Yeah, we are at 2026 now. There's so many things you don't understand. You have to go online, learn so many things.
More understand, Baba. Could do for me, I'm worried. No problem, no problem. Mr. QDOT. You know, I want to say any copyright here, intellectual property in here.
Yes, now.
Tẹ́nìkan bá wá lọ gbé jáde tó wá claim ẹ̀ pé òun lòun ní kí ni reaction yìí máa jẹ́ sà.
Nípa ti tèmi o èmi máa sọ ọkọ fún yín nípa tèmi ṣe understand. Tíyàn bá lo orin mi mo mọ̀ bí you know a little about me. I will never disturb myself going up and down to go and disturb that person. That is one thing about me. I'll be living by that because
OG intellectual property yìí ni. Let's be realistic. Today I'm of being
at the moment.
Your question here,
okay, oh yeah.
Now, so people ya ma lórí yín o. Ó ní pé òun lòun jẹ́ QDOT, òun lòun kọ orin yẹn.
That one is different. Ko possible, shall understand? Ko possible.
I don't know possible.
Because you have to use your face. If you say you want to claim my name and my song, there is no way on the process where you need to use your face as well.
Okay, ẹja àti nǹkan ti ṣẹlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹni ẹ ti wá claim ẹ̀ ṣe ẹ máa kọ̀wé kò ní anything àbí ẹ máa jàfẹ́ tọ́ yín àbó lọ forúkọ yín ṣaburú kan ẹja mú báyẹn sà ó lọ forúkọ yín ṣaburú kan o wọn á náà wá yín o so ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin kọ́ lẹ ṣe kí lẹ máa ṣe.
I will try and clear myself now.
Exactly táwa mùsùlùmí ṣe mọ̀ pé tó bá náyàn tẹ́nìyàn bá wá ké kó á jẹun tó náyàn ló tún wá complain àwọn èèyàn fẹ́ fọwọ́ pa ìdà Islam lójú. Then àwọn èèyàn comment ń bí inú àwọn ìbéèrè aláwọ̀kọ́ ni pé wọ́n lẹ pé ànábì wa lọ́mọ líle wà á bọ̀ ń bẹ̀ yẹn so ìbéèrè tí mo fẹ́ bí yín rèé sà ayẹ̀ tí ìsọ point ẹ̀yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan gbogbo àná la lọ sílé kéwú gbogbo àná la dẹ̀ lọ sí school kò dẹ̀ sẹ́ni tí ò jìyà school pàápàá jùlọ àwọn àtàwọn lọ public school so àjìyà school àjìyà ń lé kéwú so ẹni tó fẹ́ kọ́yàn ní kéwú kì í ṣe òun gangan ní kéwú tá a fẹ́ kọ́ yẹn personality oníkálukú yàtọ̀ kò sí bàbá ṣe lè ya wèrè tó Nàìjíríà tó máa ń náyàn ṣòtìyé tó bá dé UK àrẹ abalẹ̀. So I'm a teacher here, so mo pa àwọn èèyàn kéwú ní UK bí àwọn òyìnbó so kò sí kí ló tó fẹ́ lẹ́gbàá sí.
UK lẹ́yìn wà bí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni sà.
Okay, ẹ má bínú sáyé one point, ẹ má bínú 1 point. Ẹ má bínú sáyé kí tó gbàgbé, there was a day tí mo wọ mọ́tò njọ́ kan, mo wọ Uber, maybe from Peckham going to Central London. Mọ́tò tí mo dẹ̀ wọ̀, tí mo ṣe wọnú mọ́tò ìbá, mo fọ́nà bá mo fi búra fún yín, the guy was just mad at me. She understand, I was so scared.
Kí ló lè ṣe?
Me or more later I was just more interested. Okay, please kí ni mo ṣe fún ẹ, I want to know. Ó sọ fún mi pé torí pé orúkọ tí mo fi Uber òun kò sí Abdul nínú orúkọ mi kí ló dé like imagine nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn.
Kò lè possible àìlóyìn ò lè possible.
Wúwà tí mo ti wọlé
ní UK kẹ.
Ó block ẹ̀ dànù dáadáa.
Possible.
Ìyáde wọnú Uber account yìí sì kẹ́ fún mi.
But tí mo sọ yìí, ó ń sọ fún mi pé
kámẹ́rà máa ń wà nù mọ́tò wọn.
Ẹ ṣe sùúrù sí ló kọ̀ ẹja gbọ́ kò rí ìgbà táwọn ẹgbẹ́ tí ń confirm ẹ̀.
Mo ṣe pé bóyá ó bá mi jà o, ṣe understand? But ó kàn bẹ̀ sí fún mi latitude, mo gbà ó mọ mi, èmi náà mọ ẹrí náà. So later I found out the main reason why tó fi ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ fún mi ni pé because I don't put Abdul on my name. So wá bí lọ pé why sí?
Kò possible.
Èmi sọ fún yín pé kò tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sẹ́yìn.
Kí lorúkọ náà?
Mo ń bọ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nígbà tí Uber fẹ́ pè mí lẹ́nu ó ní aláṣẹ yẹn ni ò rí pé yẹn. So that is it, kò yín ò possible sir. Ẹ ṣe sùúrù. Ẹ jọ inú experience yín yẹn mo fẹ́ kọ́ share kọ́kọ́ pẹ̀lú wa ni Mr. QDOT ẹ jọ a fẹ́ kẹ́ share experience yín yẹn inú àwọn kan tẹ̀ ti kà findings tẹ̀ ti ṣe yẹn kí lẹ padà rí tẹ́ fi wò pé Islam ò dá o àbí kẹ́ fi wò nígbà àwọn research yín yẹn ẹ sọ fún wa bí báyìí.
Ẹ má bínú, ṣé mo sọ pé Islam ò dá ṣe gbọ́lẹ̀ nípa sọ́kùnrin.
No àṣẹlẹ̀ ti kà ń pa ẹ̀.
Mo ní pé
ẹ sọ pé ẹ ti kà ń pa ICC kíní kan.
No, mo ní pé mo ń ṣe research on the ISIS, on the all this group. She understand?
Okay.
So I'm trying to know what's bringing their attitude. She understand?
Ẹ jọ kí ni outcome result yín sir? Kí ni outcome research yín rather? Kí lẹ padà deduce?
Okay, to my own side, to my own belief, they are Muslim on their own too, but they are different Muslim in Islam as well.
What kind of Muslim are they? Which kind of Muslim are they?
Like
irú Muslim wo náà jẹ́?